This is just to continue based on my experience. I did my surgery for the sinus problem that I faced about 4 years back in Thane, and I thought I would get relief from my headaches. Of course, there was a massive relief in terms of stopping usage of any nasal sprays, but my snoring problem continued. And I used to use CPAP after having done a sleep study. CPAP initially I felt, because I was so much sleep deprived, a few months I slept well, but later on using CPAP was also uncomfortable. I used to still feel a lot of headache, especially on these portions, sinus portions, and I was very uncomfortable during the daytime. I used to still feel sleepy, yawning. But after having done this surgery at Dr. Vikas Agarwal's clinic last month, it has drastically improved my sleep quality. I don't feel the headache anymore, and I feel completely rejuvenated when I wake up in the morning. So that has transformed my life during the daytime. I've lost almost 9 kilos of weight. I look forward to quality of life that can help me reduce further. All my colleagues in the complex said whatever I did was absolutely right, and they also congratulate me and for my health when they see myself when walk around in the complex. So I thank Dr. Vikas Agarwal for whatever that quality of life that I have gained since last 1 month, and I look forward to it continuing for rest of my life.